In today's video, I want to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Edge. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. So you might have heard of Microsoft Edge's Copilot feature, and if you're wondering how to make the most of it, you're in the right place. Microsoft Edge has evolved significantly, and with the introduction of Copilot, browsing the web and performing tasks has become even more intuitive and streamlined. First, ensure that you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge installed. If you haven't updated in a while, go ahead and check if there are any pending updates. You can easily do this by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner, selecting Help and Feedback, and then clicking on About Microsoft Edge. This will not only check for updates, but also install the latest version if needed. Now that your browser is up to date, let's explore how to access and use Copilot. When you open Microsoft Edge, look at the right-hand side of the address bar. You should see an icon that looks like a small, friendly talking bubble. That's your gateway to Copilot. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you click it, you'll see Copilot's interface pop up on the right side of your screen. Here, you can type in questions or commands just as you would in a search engine. Copilot is designed to help you with a variety of tasks, from simple things like looking up information to more complex tasks such as generating content or summarizing articles. For instance, say you're browsing a news website and you come across an article that piques your interest. You could click on the Copilot icon and type, "Can you summarize the key points of this article?" Just hit enter, and within moments, Copilot will provide you with a concise summary, saving you time and effort. Let's take it a step further. What if you needed to gather information for a presentation? Instead of opening multiple tabs and frantically searching for data, you can simply ask Copilot. For example, type, "Show me statistics about climate change," and you'll get results tailored to your query. Copilot pulls in reliable sources and data to give you an up-to-date snapshot that you can incorporate into your presentation seamlessly. Maybe you're interested in writing content, such as a blog post or an email. You can ask Copilot to help with that as well. You might say, "Help me draft an email to my team about our upcoming project deadline." Copilot can generate a professional-sounding email that you can easily tweak to your liking. This can be a huge time saver, especially for those days when you just can't seem to find the right words. Another great feature is the ability to have Copilot assist in language translation, or even help with learning a new language. If you ask it, "Translate this paragraph into Spanish," you'll get an instant translation that can help you communicate more effectively or assist in learning. In addition to that, you can use it to set reminders. For example, typing, "Set a reminder for my meeting at 3 p.m. tomorrow," enables Copilot to create a quick reminder, keeping you organized and on track. One of the standout features of Copilot is its ability to adapt based on your needs. The more you use it, the more it gets to know your preferences, which can make future interactions more personalized and efficient. So don't hesitate to experiment with various commands to see what works best for you. It's essential to remember that while Copilot is a powerful tool, it's just that, a tool. It's here to assist you, but there are tasks that might still require your expertise and judgment, especially when it comes to sensitive information or nuanced topics. And there you have it. You now know how to utilize Copilot in Microsoft Edge to enhance your browsing experience and make tasks more manageable. It's a game changer that can simplify your online activities significantly. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your tech tools. Happy browsing with Copilot, and I'll see you in the next